Hello. Now we are here going to install Nintendo's. This is how to install Nintendo 64 emulator in the Nintendo Wii. Okay. First, for to install the Nintendo 64 emulator in the Nintendo Wii, you need an SD card and mhm, okay. So now let's go to install here to Wii Brew over here. Emulators. Press download. Okay. Well, we'll do this. Well, download this file. There you go. And now we'll where will this? Wait, we'll use this. And now we'll move this file to the SD card. And there we go. We have the file in it. Okay, now we're going to the Nintendo Wii. To the Nintendo Wii console. Guys, we're now in the Nintendo Wii console. And as I was saying, for installing the Nintendo 64 emulator in the Nintendo Wii. Now we'll go to the Homebrew channel. Here we are. And now we will go to Wii 64. It's an emulator, and now we'll press load. Okay, and now we're here in the emulator. Well, there is no ROM loaded. So and load ROM from okay guys, here we are in the emulator. Well, has no ROM or nothing. So bye.